Hi, welcome back. As we move forward through this course, every now and then I will mention a few tools. And these are SEO tools. Most of them are absolutely free to use. These tools are important as they help optimize your website for search engines and give you a lot of data that'll help you come up with better SEO strategies, which will help increase your website's ranking. So for example, some of these tools will analyze the keywords of your website. Some of these tools may analyze the keywords of your competitors. You will be able to find backlinks to your site or your competitor's website, the domain authority, and so on and so forth. I do have all these tools in short videos, individual videos under Tools tab. But I wanted to mention these tools here because as we move along this course, I would like you to get familiar with them. For example, Google Analytics. Almost every business owner I speak to has Google Analytics, but then 90% of them have never ever logged into their analytics account. So what Google Analytics does is it tells you where your visitors are coming from, which city are they coming from. You can find the search phrases that attract your visitors. You can see new versus returning visitors. You can see if you're getting more traffic from mobile or desktop or tablets. You can see the demographics of your visitors, if they're more men, women, what age group they are. And so you can then understand who is coming to your website and move forward or make changes to your strategies accordingly. And like I said, if you watch the video on Google Analytics under Tools, that video explains everything that you need to know about Google Analytics. Same thing, then there's Google Search Console. This is also a free tool just like Google Analytics. This tool tells you the total traffic coming to your site. If your site has any errors, what keywords are bringing traffic to your website? What pages of your site are getting more traffic? What about the inbound links to your site? And so on and so forth. The benefit of these tools is you can see what's working and what's not working. Then there is Google Keyword Planner. Google Keyword Planner will tell you the average monthly searches of a certain keyword. It'll also give you the competition on that keyword in your area, if the competition is high, if it's medium, if it's low, and so on. For example, the search phrase carpet cleaning. Let's say if you provide carpet cleaning services with Google Keyword Planner, you can see if the search phrase carpet cleaning services, carpet cleaning near me, carpet cleaning company, which ones of these search phrases get more searches, which ones are more popular, which one can potentially bring you more traffic, okay? Or which ones can be easier to rank high in because they have less competition and so on. Now, I don't want to get into too much details because I don't want to confuse you. I'm only trying to give you here the idea about these tools as I mentioned them through this course. So you have an idea, you get familiar with them. I'll mention Moz every now and then. I'll mention SEMrush. I'll also mention Ubersuggest, Yoast, which is a plugin that can help you increase rankings if you have a WordPress website. All-in-One SEO is also a plugin that can help increase your website rankings. BuzzSumo, this is a great tool. This can tell you what's popular right now in a certain industry, in a certain service that you provide. And then there's Copyscape. So what Copyscape does is, this is a tool that tells you if any of the content on your website is duplicate. Let's say if you hire somebody to write for your site. Now you don't know if they're writing the content from scratch themselves or they're just copying it from another website. With a tool like Copyscape, you can find if there's any duplicate content on your website, and you can also find if there's someone stealing your website's content and putting it on their website. Right? But like I said, I won't get into details. I just want you to be familiar with these names. If you go under Tools, I have a separate video for each one of them. In fact, I have a video on more than these tools. So you get familiar with them, you know how to use them because these are like shortcuts. They help you come up with better strategies for your website's rankings. So go through these tools when you get some time. Get familiar with them because they're going to help you increase your rankings. They're going to help you what your competition is up to. And then once your site has higher rankings, they'll also help you maintain those rankings. And now I'll see you in the next video.